Good morning. We're just about to start the morning briefing. So a few minutes right now we have on the background Dallas, Texas, Bank of America on the tall building, naming the king and the king of the city. And from that, we're going to go ahead and proceed to our morning briefing this morning. So we got a lot of good news and see how the market goes today. This morning we got a couple of stock to talk about. One of them is LC8. This is a gaming company. They've been running around right about $10 for a good while. Then they finally broke out. We're coming to kind of head and shoulder pattern here. So here's the shoulder, here come the head, here the other shoulder. So we got to determine, is this going to go up or better or go down from here? So you got about a couple of weeks to go before we see what really happened, what's going to happen on that. But keep it in mind, LC8 is a good stock to move in. FedEx yesterday have a good run, as you can see, coming from July from almost $100 a share to 260. It has been a great trade, and we're coming now for a little settlement here. I expect that within a week or so, going to start moving up again. FedEx, now that the virus is getting a little bit more active and people start getting sick, more people are going to keep on buying online and have it shipped home. And this has been the success of FedEx company. DraftKings, here we are with DraftKings already had the head and shoulder completed. Here with first shoulder, here the head and the body. And we probably got about another 1 or 2 weeks to settle this. And it depends how the virus continue. This might get down to 35, as I mentioned before. So yesterday we got a good drop on the Dow Industrial, 800 points. It finally settled with minus 650. This morning, the market is about to open in 18 minutes. And it has come up probably about, it was 100 this morning, and now it's about 8 points. So that's what we're dealing with. And of course, we got the SPY also that is kind of trending in here between these two levels, 350 to 320 or 320. So depending how the market goes this morning, it might be flat. So for any of the day traders, you might as well take it very careful and look for the opportunity and check on your indicators when you have gap like this, that the black line over the red one, it get wider. This is an opportunity. However, remember, you know that these indicators, when the numbers get very close, they're not too reliable. So always be aware of that. Take a look at the volume and see how things are going, and be ready to take action. We're getting ready to change our introductions, and we plan to do it a little different way. So you might see some of this coming up very soon, or the introduction, and then you're going to see where we just come up and show you part of New York, and then that'll be the introduction of our morning briefing. And it's just like a 7-second, 10-second clip. And